I just started updating the BIOS from my USB stick, the white and gray one there, and it's proceeding. Let me show you on the screen. It's installing 601 version. About halfway done. It's hard to see, but there's a red bar right here, about halfway done. My cooler is working okay, keeping the CPU at 68 C for now. I'm not worried about it. It's not in the case yet. I don't know if I'm missing one LED right here on this PCI slot that's not lit or not, but this one right here, but that's is not blinking. All the other ones are. I don't know. Looks like the BIOS updated because the system rebooted. It's all done. I should have 601 BIOS June 1st. Let's see. And what BIOS do I have? Let's see. BIOS is updating. Okay, so it's still updating. Okay. Alright, so let's let it wait. Alright, reset it again. On zone. Alright, display is back on. And what we have? And we have 601 BIOS. Alright, so that's great. Alright. It says stability issues fixed, so we'll see. I don't have any stability issues. Let's see what we got there. CPU is at 63 Celsius. Look at that. Beautiful. So anyway, I think I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not going to be installing Windows with without a proper heatsink. But that's basically it for now. The text my M.2. Alright, that's good. I'm gonna make another video later once I get some better cooling and I can install Windows better. Alright, bye.